In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trading sessions quick and easy guide. We're going to walk through how to quickly add trading sessions on your chart in Tradingview so you can clearly see when different markets are open and active. This is really helpful if you're trading forex, indices, or any asset that reacts to specific market opens like London, New York, or Asia. I'll keep it simple and walk you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged in to your Tradingview account and you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, the process is the same for all charts. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on indicators. This opens up the indicators and strategies window, which is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools to your chart. Inside that search bar at the top of the indicators window, type the word trading. You don't need to type the whole phrase, just trading is enough to bring up a list of relevant indicators. As you type, you'll see results start to appear below. Take a second to make sure you're in the correct tab, usually labeled something like built-ins or a similar category, so you're using the default tools provided directly on the platform. From the list of results, look for an indicator called trading sessions. This is the tool that highlights different market sessions on your chart, making it much easier to spot when volatility might pick up. Once you see trading sessions in the list, click on it once. As soon as you do, it should automatically be added to your chart. You'll notice colored backgrounds or blocks appearing behind your candles, each color usually representing a different trading session. If you'd like, you can customize the appearance by hovering over the indicator name on your chart and opening its settings. There you can adjust colors, which sessions are displayed, and other visual options to match your personal trading style or make things easier to read. Finally, if you're enjoying this feature and want to unlock more advanced tools and extra functionality, you can upgrade to a paid version of Tradingview. Check out the affiliate link in the description of this video if you want to support the channel while getting access to more professional features.